My video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Pay. This ransomware, by the way, is from the Decrypt ransomware family. But my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you recommendations on how to avoid this ransomware. You've just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without any troubles. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Pay ransomware from the Decrypt ransomware family may be easily injected into the system. So because of that, very soon people realize that they can't use their data anymore. Indeed, the files get damaged and encrypted, and it's not possible to open them anymore after the ransomware attack. So within the twinkle of an eye, something bad happens, and you try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Pay additionally appended extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. To remove it, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner through the official website combocleaner.com. But to get here, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be also damaged by this ransomware. Anyway, through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this official website, download the software, install the program, then click on Start Scan button and begin investigating your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And as you can clearly see, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the update of anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has successfully been accomplished, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. This may take some time, of course. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time. As soon as the scanning has been completed, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the system. Indeed, please consider upgrading to premium license. It will help you to remove this ransomware and to get your data always protected in the future.